Hello, my name is Krupesh Verma, and this is a demo of Project 2 from Network Programming. So this project is actually the continuation from Project 1. In Project 1, we had TCP client and server chat. Here we have added an authentication service. So this is a new server, the auth server. This server handles all the authentication tasks. So let's run our main chat server first. Let's create a client too. Let's now run our authentication server. Okay, so everything's started. Let's arrange them this way. Alright. Okay, I'll add the name. So once again, I have been greeted with a welcome message, and there are some new stuff here now. Login, email, password, register email password. Let's try joining a room without uh, login or registering. Join polls. Right, we got a message from the server. Please log in or register first. Right, let's create an account. Register kp@gmail.com. Password. Oh, looks like the account already exists. Right, let's try logging into that account. Failed to log in because invalid credentials. Alright. Okay, logged in successfully. Let's try joining a room now. Okay, we have joined general. Let's create another client instance. Let's call it user1. Let's have it register a new account user1 at financial.ca, and we'll have our password. Right, account created successfully. You can chat in rooms now. Okay, let's try joining a room. Let's join general. Okay, user1 has joined general. Perfect. Let's send the message into the general room. Hello. Okay, so we have disconnected our one client. Let's try some other stuff. Login. Let's give incorrect email. So again, invalid credentials. Let's try give it same email. Can't already exist. Alright, so the authentication is authenticating all the users properly. Let's look at the authentication services now. So this is the auth server. It has a class, a user class, which holds all these values, and the auth server. Let's look at how we are creating and authenticating the users. Create user. So first we will do the error checking. So if we already have an account with the same email address, we will send a failure status. So we are using Google's protobuf for the protocol. Let's look at the protobuf actually. So this is a .proto file, and these are the protocols. Create account, web success, failure, authenticate web success, and failure. All right. So if account already exists, we will send a registration fail status to the server, and the server will further send it to the client. And if there is no such email in our database, then we will create a new user. We will try to save the user. If we fail to save the user, we will send an internal error status, otherwise a success status. Now for the authentication. So we are using SHA-256 for hashing. So when we are registering, we generate a random salt and assign it to the user and save the hash password. We do not save the actual password, we save the hash password. And when we are authenticating, we will use the user's salt value and add it to the password value, and we will generate a hash password. And if it matches the stored password, then we have authenticated. We will send a success message. If no user exists, then we'll send a invalid credentials status. Or if there is an internal error. Okay, now this one's not about internal error, it's about, yeah, if there is no such users. Like if our database is empty, then we'll still send the invalid credentials. Okay. So that's it for this project. I couldn't use the MySQL database because of some unknown reasons. So I've used an XML for this, and XML library is PUGI XML, and SHA-256 is this library from Stephen Brown. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.